In a world where unseen threats lurk in the shadows, where the innocent and vulnerable are targeted by an insidious force, we dedicate this video to the thousands out there who suffer in silence. It is a tale that spans continents, cultures, and generations. A tale of survival, resilience, and the unyielding human spirit. Our story is about an animal who kills on average 31 people worldwide every hour, 2,700 humans every day, about 19,000 humans weekly, and about 88,000 humans every month. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of nature and its many wonders. It might come as a surprise, but the deadly assassin in question is not a giant predator, but rather an inconspicuous insect weighing no more than 2.5 milligrams, the mosquito from the Culicidae family. In this video, we'll uncover the astonishing truth about these tiny yet lethal insects and their devastating impact on human lives. Keep watching until the end, and we promise you we'll have a different view and understanding of our planet and its creation. When we typically think of deadly animals, images of massive predators like tigers, elephants, rhinos, hippos, wild bears, and lions come to mind. It's natural to associate size and strength with lethality, but as we're about to discover, appearances can be deceiving. Mosquitoes, although small and seemingly harmless, are responsible for between 725,000 and 1 million human deaths every year worldwide. However, it's essential to understand that mosquitoes don't set out to kill humans. Instead, they are proficient disease vectors. In their quest for a blood meal, they inadvertently transmit infectious pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites from person to person. Understanding the different stages of the mosquito life cycle can help prevent and effectively eliminate populations before they become a problem. Mosquitoes go through 4 life stages: egg, larvae, pupa, and adult. There are over 300 mosquito species worldwide, with Culex mosquitoes, particularly Culex pipiens, being the most common and dangerous as they carry the West Nile virus. The time it takes for a mosquito to complete its life cycle from egg to adult varies depending on factors like water temperature and mosquito species. Eggs can hatch within a day if laid on water surfaces, or much later if in soil. A female mosquito typically lays 100 to 150 eggs per batch and may do so 3 to 4 times during her life. Female mosquitoes lay eggs near water, with some placed in spots that will flood later, surviving for months in dry conditions. Water is essential for their eggs to hatch, which then become larvae, often called wigglers. Larvae live in water, feeding on organic matter and molting several times. They eventually transform into pupae, which don't feed and are known as tumblers as they move deeper in the water to avoid predators. Pupae, like larvae, breathe through tubes near the water's surface. Depending on the species and water temperature, pupae become adult mosquitoes within a few days. Adult mosquitoes emerge from the water once they dry out and harden. Male mosquitoes start mating after their reproductive organs develop, typically taking a day or 2, and live for 3 to 5 days after mating. Female mosquitoes mate once but lay eggs after each blood meal. Under favorable conditions, female mosquitoes can live for up to a month. Mosquitoes enjoy feeding on plant nectar like juices from flowers and fruits, plant sap, honeydew, and other fluids from plants. This sugary mosquito food gives them the energy they need to fly, reproduce, and sustain themselves. And on top of that, it makes them plant pollinators. To successfully reproduce, female mosquitoes require a specific protein found in the blood of mammals and humans to help generate their eggs. Since females enjoy blood meals as well as mosquito nectar, they're able to store their blood and sugar consumption separately. One mosquito-borne disease stands out as the deadliest of them all, namely malaria. When a mosquito bites a person suffering from malaria, it sucks the blood of that person, which contains the malarial parasite microbes. When this infected mosquito bites a healthy person, it transfers the microbes into his blood. This life-threatening disease is primarily transmitted through the bite of infected anopheline mosquitoes, often referred to as night-biting mosquitoes. Malaria can also spread through infected blood transfusions and from mother to child during pregnancy or childbirth. Anopheline mosquitoes typically feed during the night, and their breeding grounds are predominantly found in rural areas. The greatest risk of contracting malaria occurs from dusk to dawn, especially in rural regions. The widespread prevalence of this disease has had a profound impact on human history and evolution, shaping societies and influencing the course of human events.
Hit that subscribe button now. Share our content with friends and family, and embark on this incredible adventure with us, where we uncover the secrets of our planet and make a positive impact on its future. Together, we can make a difference. Subscribe now, share the launch.
While it may seem daunting to combat an enemy as small and elusive as the mosquito, there are effective measures to reduce the risk of mosquito-borne diseases. Apply a mosquito repellent with diethyltoluamide to your exposed skin. Diethyltoluamide is a proven and reliable way to ward off these disease-carrying insects. Drape mosquito netting over beds to create a barrier between you and mosquitoes while sleeping. This is especially crucial in malaria-endemic regions. Install screens on windows and doors to keep mosquitoes out of your living spaces. Treat clothing, mosquito nets, tents, sleeping bags, and other fabrics with an insect repellent called permethrin to create an additional layer of protection, and wear long pants and long sleeves to minimize exposed skin, making it harder for mosquitoes to bite you. Mosquitoes, despite their tiny size, have their own set of natural enemies in the ecosystem. Predatory insects like dragonflies and damselflies are formidable foes, with their aerial agility allowing them to catch mosquitoes in flight. Spiders are also effective mosquito hunters, trapping them in their intricate webs. Additionally, bats are renowned for their mosquito hunting prowess, often consuming large quantities of these insects during their nightly hunts. Furthermore, some fish species, such as gambusia and mosquito fish, actively feed on mosquito larvae in aquatic habitats, helping to control mosquito populations in bodies of water. These natural predators play a crucial role in maintaining a balance in the mosquito population and serve as a reminder of the intricate web of life in our natural world.
The wise old wolf whispers.
As we wrap up this exploration of the silent killers among us, let us reflect on the profound lessons nature teaches us. In the case of the mosquito, it's a reminder that appearances can be deceptive, and even the smallest and seemingly insignificant creatures can have a tremendous impact on our lives. We are called to protect and preserve all life, no matter how small, because every creature has its place in the grand tapestry of creation. Let us extend our care not only to those suffering from mosquito-borne illnesses, but also to all who are in need. May we be inspired to take action not only to protect ourselves from the silent killers of the natural world, but also to be agents of positive change, spreading love and healing to all corners of the earth. My dear friend, hit that subscribe button now, give us a like, and share our channel with your family and friends. Together, we can make a difference. And may your life be filled with blessings, compassion, and the light of faith. God, the Almighty, bless you.